What would make you lose faith in Facebook and turn that long into a short?
Well, first of all, I don't think you're going to see anything for months. It reminds me a little bit of when Facebook went public and there were all these questions about how they were going to do on mobile, and the stock collapsed right after the IPO. I think what you saw yesterday was really a reset of the business model. I thought what the market misinterpreted yesterday was that Facebook went down and old media stocks went up. I think that actually was a mistake, because what Facebook basically told you was, we're willing to cut our margins almost in half to fix our business. If I was an old media company, I wouldn't take any solace in that.
Right. But I think one of the challenges, though, is how do they actually get that growth from the core business with the monthly and daily active users? I mean, there's a bit of saturation there. Does that mean that you have faith in other parts of their business, like the sort of artificial intelligence side of things, WhatsApp, Instagram, that kind of thing?
Well, artificial intelligence is a little bit beyond my intellectual capacity, so I won't talk about that. I think the company thinks that the story aspect of Instagram is going to be the next big wave. We'll know whether that's true or not in the next 6 to 9 months. You got to have a little humility in life. It doesn't matter whether
he roots for Duke basketball, so he knows.
It doesn't matter whether I believe it. It's the fact that the market believes it, and the market will believe it until it doesn't. Until it doesn't. And again, I go back to the internet bubble. The market stopped believing it when there was a recession, and it turned out all the companies in the internet bubble were not immune. And so the debate about whether these internet companies are overvalued, I think, is at this point academic until the economy actually turns.
Steve, we're folding that right into the GDP results today and President Trump's Make America Great Again economy. Is that the catalyst to come if all the econ people are coming out and telling me 2-point-something% coming out 6 months, 9 months out? Do we get an economic slowdown that begins to shift all the certitude and beliefs of the market?
Well, if that were the case, yes, but I don't see that happening at this point. I think the economy right now is very strong, and there's no indicators that it's slowing.